Hello, friends. Welcome to yet another session of SSB 101 by IFDO. Again, Lieutenant Colonel BG Ray in front of you to resume our discussion where we left last. If you remember, I was talking about the right strategy to be followed for multiple career opportunities in the defense sector. When your preparation is concerned, there are two aspects. One is wherever there is a written examination, you must prepare adequately for that. And the second most important thing is your preparation for the SSB. Let us handle this one by one. In SSB 101, we call it let's play the long game. Long game, I am referring to your long term preparations. All of you, most of you, must be preparing for the forthcoming examination. There are two important examinations on the same day, 14th November. NDA and Naval Academy, and the second examination is about CDS. This examination is going to be historic because first time the girls will be permitted to appear in NDA written examination. And those who are seriously preparing for the examination, all of you, I am sure, must be acquainted with the pattern of the examination. Total marks 900. Out of that, maths alone 300 marks. And the second paper, general ability test, 600 marks. I would like to focus your attention on the general ability test, which normally becomes the Waterloo for most of the aspirants. If you analyze this 600 marks, 200 marks are exclusively for English and other subjects, combination of other subjects, physics 25%, chemistry 15%, and general science, bio, life science, all put together 10% weightage. Now, what remains most neglected is the humanities subjects. For your concern, history 20%, geography 20%, and general ability means GK, current affairs, little political science, all put together 10%. So 50% of 400 marks are devoted towards history, geography, and general knowledge. This is my experience handling large number of students appearing for NDA or CDS examination that the humanities subjects generally remain neglected. My advice to all of you will be get hold of 9th and 10th class geography, history books and revise your syllabus for the next 25 days or so. Your maths preparation and preparation for science, I am sure, must be already over. Now your focus should be on these neglected subjects. Now the second point about the written examination is generally candidates, when they are preparing for written examination, they remain focused in the written exam in a very isolated compartment. Please remember, boys and girls, that when you are preparing for written examination, it is also, or it should be also, a preparation for SSB. When you are going through general knowledge and current affairs, keep in mind that you are preparing for lecturate, you are preparing for group discussion, and also for your personal interview. So, your long-term preparation would be effective if it is an integrated preparation. Now coming to SSB, all of you must be knowing that a candidate is assessed by three different assessors independently but almost parallelly. So the three techniques are psychological test series, GTO test series, and the interview taken by the psychologist, the group testing officer, and the interviewing officer, who may be the president or the deputy president of the board. So, when you are involving yourself in the long term preparation, everything you read, everything you come across, keep SSB in mind. For example, writing a story is the necessity. In your free time, write, narrate incident of your past, and develop the habit of little trying to be innovative, imaginative, and creative. You come across various words, make sentences spontaneously. So, this type of involvement, which is not directly preparing for SSB, but you will find that this indirect preparation will also help you and enhance your confidence level to great extent. Coming to the GTO tasks, you know that there are 9 tasks, and which you can prepare in a long term basis is lecturate and group discussion. Other technical issues one should not try to venture into individually. You definitely need the assistance of a former SSB assessor or those who are expert in the subject. Interview, for example, is again integrated with the written examination. Questions on your subject, questions on GK and current affairs, what is happening around, starting from local to global, this on a day to day basis or in your group with your friends. You can definitely keep in touch, and it will immensely help you to prepare for both written examination and SSB simultaneously. With this, I conclude by saying the mistake which most candidates commit, you should not, and adopt this long term preparation, and you will find the result soon. If you like this video, please like the video, share it, and tell your friends about SSB 101, which will encourage us and to produce more such video for you. Thank you, and looking forward to meet you again. Jai Hind.